Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Rowifi. First, connect your Rowifi device to a power source. Make sure your internet modem is also powered on and ready. Next, use an Ethernet cable to link the Rowifi device directly to your modem. Wait for the indicator lights on your Rowifi to stabilize, which typically takes about 1 minute, indicating it is ready for the next step. Now that your Rowifi is powered on, it's time to connect your devices. Look for the default Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, printed on a label on your Rowifi device. Then, use your computer or smartphone to search for this network in your Wi-Fi settings. Enter the default password, also found on that same label, to establish your initial connection. You should see a confirmation that you are connected. With your device connected, let's access the Rowifi administration panel. Open any web browser on your computer or phone. In the address bar, type the default IP address, which is often 192.168.1.1, and press Enter. You will then be prompted to enter the administrator username and password, usually found on the device label. This will take you to the Rowifi configuration dashboard. To secure your network, it's crucial to personalize your Rowifi settings. First, change the default Wi-Fi network name, or SSID, to something unique and memorable for you. Next, create a strong new password for your network. Avoid using easily guessable information. Remember to save your new settings to apply these important changes immediately. Finally, reconnect all your devices using your updated, secure network name and password.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.